Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. This is lesson 15 of our series, Beginner to Advance. Thank you so much for your support. In this lesson, we will learn how to use text function. We'll start with the basic. If you need it in detail, please comment full. I will create a detailed video in this section, or else we will cover this topic in intermediate section. We have 4 sheets with some tasks. By solving these tasks, we will learn the text function. Our first task is to change the date format. For example, we have a date in DDMMYY and now we have to convert it to MMDDYY. To do that, we will use the text function type equal text, select the cell, comma, in double inverted comma, MM/DD/YY. Close the bracket and hit enter. Drag the formula down to complete the rest. Let's move to the second example. Here we have the dates and we need to write the day name. If you use the manual method, it will take a lot of time. So let's use the text function again. Type equal text, select the cell, comma, in double inverted comma, write 4 times D, bracket close, hit enter and drag the formula down to complete for all dates. Let's move to the third example. Here we have some numbers and we need to convert them into percentage. To do that, again we'll use the text function. Type equal text, select the cell, comma, in double inverted comma, we'll write 0.00%, bracket close, hit enter. Drag the formula down again to complete rest. Now we come to our last part, combining text and numbers. Let's first do it without the text function. To do that, we will use the text join function which we have already learned. If you want to see that video, the link is given in the description. Type equal text join in double inverted comma, space, comma, true, comma, select the text 1, comma, text 2, bracket close and hit enter. Can you see? We are not getting the result as required. Now let's try with the text function. We will use the text join function together with the text function. Type equal text join in double inverted comma, space, comma, true, comma, select the first text, comma. Now we will use the text function. Type text, select second text, comma, as this is date, in double inverted comma, MM-DD-YY. Close the bracket, hit enter, done. In the second task, we will add the text and time. This time, we will use the ampersand sign. Type equal, select the first text, ampersand, in double inverted comma, space, ampersand sign. Now we'll use the text function, text, select the second text, comma, as this is a time, in double inverted comma, we'll use HHMM as the time is given in AM, so we'll use AM/PM. Close the bracket, hit enter, done. Can you do the last one with the currency and share your screenshot in the comments? I hope you have liked this video. If yes, then please share this video with your friends. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye. and take care.